हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में जैसा हमारा सीरीज चल रहा था ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, जिसमें हमने पहले पढ़ा ओपन चेन कंपाउंड क्या होते हैं और या हम कहें कि ओपन चेन या ब्रांच चेन कंपाउंड्स जो होते हैं उनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट वीडियो में। अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि और कौन से क्लासिफिकेशंस हो सकते हैं। Today we are going to discuss about organic compounds and the classification of organic compounds. Earlier we studied about open chain organic compounds. Now we are going to discuss about cyclic or closed compounds. Cyclic or closed ring shape compound. Closed or ring-shaped compounds or the cyclic compounds are the compounds of the same carbon atoms which are in open chain, but the structure, the physical difference between them due to their structural formation. In closed chain, it requires, apart from open chain, organic compound can also be formed closed or ring-shaped chains, ring-shaped compounds, and it requires a minimum of 3 carbon atom. Minimum 3 carbon atom to form a closed compound, closed chain compound. And they are resembles by the property, they are having the different in property in comparison to open chain compounds. The 3 carbon atoms are minimum required, and this is classified further. The cyclic compounds are further classified into 3 different types. The first one is acyclic. And the another one is aromatic. And the third one is heterocyclic. दोस्तों, हम बात कर रहे हैं कि कैसे जो कार्बन कंपाउंड्स हैं, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैं, वो क्लोज लूप फॉर्म करते हैं, कैसे वो एक क्लोज स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करते हैं। ये इस तरह से या हेक्सागोनल या फिर पेंटागोनल, यानी जहां पर कोई भी 2 कार्बन ऐसा नहीं है कि जो एक दूसरे को टच ना करते हो। एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन इज कॉल्ड क्लोज लूप। अब यहाँ हमने पढ़ा कि मिनिमम कितने कार्बन चाहिए, 3 कार्बन चाहिए कभी भी हमें क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए। अब साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स भी 3 तरीके के होते हैं। पहला होता है असाइक्लिक, दूसरा होता है एरोमेटिक और तीसरा है हेट्रोसाइक्लिक। हम एक एक करके इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम असाइक्लिक कंपाउंड। Acyclic compounds are the same compounds, same carbon atom connected to each bonds. Like when we can discuss about this, like for an example, if we take the first one from 3 carbons, when n is equal to 3, the compound for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. इस फॉर्मूले से अगर हम निकालते हैं तो क्या आएगा, C3 3 to the 6 8 H8. This is your compound for propane. What we call it is propane. For cyclic propane, the formula is C3H6. C3H6 is a acyclic compound formed by closed loop or formed by interconnection between 3 carbons. Now we will see the structure: carbon, single bond carbon, single bond carbon, and all the 3 carbons are in a closed structure. Now if two valence electrons of carbons are engaged in bonding, so it has 2 more bonds in every carbon which are free, and they are connected with hydrogen. So this is your 1 2 3 carbons, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 hydrogen. This is called your cyclopropane. And like for condensed structure we can write it like CH2 and CH2. They all three combine to form the closed or cyclic propane, and it can be shown by a triangle. This is your bond notation, closed bond notation. For another example, if we take for the same, like cyclohexane. Cyclohexane has formula of N is equal to 6 and the formula is C6H12. Same, it is a hexagonal structure with 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 carbons are closed in a hexagonal structure, and all the carbons having 2 free electrons in which hydrogen can be attached, or hydrogens are attached to complete the octet. So you can count there are 6 carbons and 12 hydrogens. For condensed structure, by knowing the structural constituents, दोस्तों यहाँ हमने देखा कि साइक्लोहेक्सेन हम बना रहे हैं जिसका फॉर्मूला होता है C6H12. C6H12 मतलब 6 कार्बन एक हेक्सागोनल स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं और हर एक कार्बन के साथ 2 कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्डिंग है, तो 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्री हैं जहां हाइड्रोजन अटैच हो जाते हैं. तो दिस इज योर C6H12 called cyclohexane, and the notation can be formed by directly making a hexagonal structure. This is your bond, link bond, ion bond structure. Now you are very familiar to know how the acyclic compounds are formed and what will be the structure depending on number of carbons in a particular compound. Now alicyclic or cyclic compounds can be unsaturated. This is for saturated alkanes. अभी तक जो हम बात कर रहे थे साइक्लोप्रोपेन और साइक्लोहेक्सेन की, ये क्या थे? ये सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन थे. सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन का मतलब हुआ किस ग्रुप के थे? वो एल्केन ग्रुप के. इसी तरह ये डबल बॉन्ड यानी अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स के भी साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स बन सकते हैं. और जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी टेक साइक्लोप्रोपीन. Cyclopropene, the formula of cyclopropene is C3H4. What is required for unsaturated hydrocarbon? That at least a single double bond is formed between carbon and carbon. So we'll draw the structure 1 2 3. यहाँ क्या जरूरी है कि एटलीस्ट 2 कार्बन्स के बीच में एक डबल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए पूरे कंपाउंड में. तो हमने यहाँ जैसे ये दे दिया इसको 1 2 3 कार्बन्स कर लिए. अब हम इसकी अगर बैलेंस करते हैं इसको, तो 1 2 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसके एंगेज्ड है. कितने हाइड्रोजन जुड़ सकते हैं? 1, यहाँ 1 और यहाँ पर 2. तो दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला फॉर C3H4 cyclopropene. Now again the condensed structure CH double bond CH single bond CH2. This is your condensed structure, or you can draw the direct bond notation by putting an extra line in between the carbons which are unsaturated. Unsaturated bonding is there, then we can put a double notation to show the unsaturated compound. This is your cyclopropene. Same, by the same structure you can draw cyclobutene. Cyclobutene, when number of carbon is 4. C4 and the number of hydrogen in this is hydrogen is 6. So C4H6 is the formula for cyclobutene. And how we'll draw? There are 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and forms a quad in between, and a single carbon-carbon bond is unsaturated, or double bond is formed between 2 carbons. Now you can balance it by putting hydrogen. The condensed structure is CH2, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH2, and this. This is your cyclobutane, or you can draw this by directly putting a notation and a double bond in between the specific carbon where unsaturated compounds are formed. So by this you can draw saturated and unsaturated acyclic, alicyclic compounds, which are the part of closed or ring compounds in our structure. In the next video, we'll study about the aromatic and heterocyclic compounds, which are the other classifications of closed or ring shaped compound. The second one is aromatic, and the third one is heterocyclic. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this. I'll see you in next video.
मौका मिलेगा थोड़ा